Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a skincare video, which was a long due, I know, and I was getting so many DMs about the skincare. So yes, I am gonna do skincare today. So without any chit chat, let's just start the video. So as you can see, this is my bare face. I'm not wearing any makeup and I just washed my face. I usually go with the Clean and Clear Foaming Facial Cleanser. Very basic cleanser, nothing fancy. So I go with that and I clean my face with this every morning. So that was the first step. Now I'm feeling a little bit dry today. I don't know why. So second step we are gonna do is exfoliating. I'm gonna do the whole skincare, which I would do every week. So the second step would be exfoliating. Now you can go ahead and use physical exfoliator or like chemical exfoliator. It's up to you. I'm just keeping it very simple today. Today I will be using very simple product, Alya Skin Pomegranate Exfoliator Facial Scrub. So I have done a full review on this one. I will link it in the description box. You can go ahead and check it. So just take a little bit on my fingers and just rub it between my fingers and go around my T-zone. That would be the main focus. This is super gentle and like I love the fragrance of it. It has rose and pomegranate. I love that. And this, I have kept it very simple and like very basic. So this one would be useful for all the skin types, no matter your combination, oily, dry or normal. This skincare would work for all the skin types. So now I'm going to wash it and I will be right back. So I just washed my face and pat dried it and I already feel like soft and I don't feel dry after exfoliating with that scrub. So that's a very good thing and it's very important. After you exfoliate, you need to use something moisturizing, but this does the job. So let's move on to the mask. Now today I am going to use the Olehenriksen Transform Plus Phat Glow Facial Mask. This one has PHA in it, so it would also do the job of exfoliating, but like that one was gentle, so it doesn't really matter. It comes with a pump packaging. I'm going to take one pump and see how much I need. Now this one is like a mask which we're supposed to apply and then massage it on the skin until it turns white. So as you can see, like it's pink in color, and then if I'm massaging it, it's turning white. So that's something which is related to this mask. You can go ahead and use any mask which you like. I am a little bit in a mood to pamper myself, so I'm just going a little bit extra than what I would normally do. So as this one has PHAs in it, it would tingle a little bit. Any product with AHA or BHA or PHA would tingle on your skin. It's just because your skin is splurging, but that's something very deep. So if you're using any other mask, don't worry about it. It's just related to this product. Now this one says massage it until it turns white and wait for 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes. Until then, I will hydrate myself. Maybe drink juice or maybe drink water or maybe drink your smoothie or anything you like and just relax for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes and be right back. Alright, so 15 minutes are up and it will turn sort of transparent. Now you can go ahead and wash your mask if you're using any mask. This particular one says you have to wipe it off with hot towel or like hot napkin, like hot water dipped napkin. So I'm gonna do that. I just wet my towel in lukewarm water and I'm just gonna wipe it off. I usually like to use warm water or lukewarm water. If I'm doing my skincare, I would wash my face with warm water, lukewarm water. I would do scrub and use lukewarm water to wash it. Now after this step, I feel like it's clean, but if you feel like, if you're using the same product and if you feel like it's not clean, go ahead and wash your face. It's totally up to you. If you're using any other mask, whatever the instruction says, do that. Let's move on to the next step, and that is toning. So now when you cleanse, exfoliate, and when you use mask, your pores are tend to open. So you have to use any toner to close your pores, and toner would also even out your skin tone. So I'm using my favorite Thayers Witch Hazel Cucumber toner. You can use any toner you have. I've been using this since almost, I would say 6-7 months, so it works great for me. I'm gonna use that, and I would just pat the cotton pad, and don't use it near your eye area. Now the toner is on, I would apply my lip balm. I just use the Blistex regular lip balm. And now we will move on to our final steps. So for my serum, I would usually use any serum, any random serum lying around my skincare. So today I will be using vitamin C serum. This is from the Fourth Ray Beauty. It is the sister brand of the Colourpop, and I keep switching between the hyaluronic acid and the vitamin C. Vitamin C is suitable for all skin types. So vitamin C not only evens out your skin tone, but it also gives you like a healthy glow, and it brightens your skin from within. Now that doesn't mean you would like completely change your complexion and be like super fair. No, that's not gonna happen. If you are from like combination or oily skin type, again this would help you clear out the acne spots and like even out the skin tone. So the whole idea is to even out the skin tone. If you have hyperpigmentation, if you have like acne scars or spots, it would even out, and it is also a good antioxidant for your skin. So I would use this usually after like toning. Ooh, I like to take bath in this one, honestly. I love this serum from the bottom of my heart. And like, as you can see, like it just gave me a healthy glow. Like this is what I prefer in the morning. So with serums, you spread it, like don't drag your skin, but you spread it and then you pat it. Now this not only would moisturize, because serum has like a lot of elixir texture, means like water and oil both. So it not only would moisturize, but it would stay on your skin for a long time. Now I would give this like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I would jump on to the next and the last step. Now here you can stop your skincare, and this is all done, and this is how your skin would look like after you finish your skincare. But if you are in any season and if you are doing this in the morning, don't skip your sunscreen. Now for me, sunscreen is like the last step of my skincare. Usually for a lot of people, serum or moisturizer is the last step, but for me, like I put on a lot of makeup, be it like work or be it like filming. Like whenever I film YouTube videos, if it's like a makeup tutorial or if I'm doing a review, I put a lot of makeup and I sit in front of a lot of lights. So that's why I like to put sunscreen. And in general, like I have learned this, that never ever skip sunscreen. So today I'm going to use very simple product, Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch SPF 60 sunscreen. Now this is available everywhere you go. So I'm just going to take a little bit, not too much, like very little quantity according to my face size, which is pretty big right now. So this not only would mattify everything, but like lock everything and would save you from any harmful lights or any harmful sun rays. Never forget your neck and your ears. So this one doesn't leave a white cast on my face like other sunscreens do, and that's what I like about it. And yeah, it still is giving me like a healthy glow. Now I can go ahead and apply makeup even if I don't use primer. It's all good for me. So yeah, this was the last step, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. So yeah, go ahead and pamper yourself and keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.